Well, first of all, I'm saying the emergence of our father and leader, Senator John Azuta-Mbata, former Senate President pro tempore of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, a great mark, a landmark event for us here in Rivers State. And most of us vindicate, most of us may advocate for Ikwere brothers to celebrate this Igbo heritage. Because when we all ruled the turn of River State, there were challenges and there were also mischievous plots to move this PG office to Abia State or to extend the tenure of Imo State. Some people were plotting to amend the constitution and do all manner of things. But thankfully, the governors forum during the Ohanaeze election may announce na ha mere extend a message to the governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Siminalai Fubara, Guyana, here the turn of Rivers State, he produced the PG. So Echoroki may someone at least support the process and the effort so Rivers State can produce the President General. His consent, Guyana, Oge Mayor in writing to formalize that the Rivers State government is supporting the emergence of the President General to come from Rivers State. And the governor of Rivers State made that later to the Governors Forum of the Southeast. Okay, is to say that I were a very good working relationship with the governor of Rivers State to that extent. I don't want to go into personal relationships between the PG and the governor. They have a very interesting and robust rapport. So, we are having emerged less than a month ago. We are looking forward to, first of all, have an interface, a courtesy visit to the governor. Thankfully, the governor may issue a congratulatory message to the PG, Senator John Azuta-Mbata. As the president hosting the President General, I have a lot of work to do because a lot falls on my shoulder. I need to defend my PG, I need to support my PG, and I have to do everything humanly possible and divinely possible to make him succeed. So that relationship, they established strongly with the Rivers State government, and by the time Ainaya Game, Ainaya Gapankata, and so on, we're going to exploit and table areas of synergy, areas of partnership. The beauty is that Igbos don't come cap in hand. So we are not coming to beg government to give to us. We are telling government we want to partner with you to develop our state because we have a lot to offer. And the video, the governor Ndigbo address during his pre-election campaign. I know that you are not, none of you here is more Igbo than myself. My grandmother is from Omoaya. So I'm also Igbo. And as long as I am governor of this state, whatever concerns the Igbos will be top priority in my administration. That video is there on record. It is up to us now to explore all of that and take it off from then onwards.
Okay.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. That was the President General or the River State President Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Livingston Wike, in an interview he had with Njenje TV. There you listened to him effectively, revealing the role that the governor of River State, Fubara, played to ensure that River State was not passed over in producing Ohanaeze Ndigbo President General. In other words, showing clearly that River State government approved the emergence of Senator John Azuta-Mbata as the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide. And this young man, who is the President of Ohanaeze Ndigbo River State, revealed a lot of things also inside that clip that you heard. He did show that River State people, the Igbos in River State, the Igbo in River State, despite what you might be told in the media, and despite what others, naysayers, like Obaki Kwere, will say, or what Nyesom Wike, the Minister of FCT, will say, there were several Igbo Igweres who insisted that River State's opportunity to produce Ohanaeze Ndigbo presidency should not be taken for granted, and that they must be given that right. You heard him where he was talking about the fact that they worked to ensure that the mandate was not taken away from River State. He revealed how even Abia State wanted to take it, how there was alleged conspiracy for Imo State that was holding the tenure at the time, that they will extend the tenure to ensure that Rivers didn't get the opportunity. But the Rivers people, the Igbos in Rivers State, worked hard to ensure that the rotation principle of Ohanaeze was maintained and that Rivers State was not passed by. And you can see the revelation he made about how the Southeast Governors Forum reached out to the governor of Rivers State, Fubara, telling him that this is the turn of Rivers State to produce the Ohanaeze president, and that and sought his initiative in it. You can say that they wanted his buy-in on this proposal, and you can see that the Fubara embraced it wholeheartedly. And this young man, who is the Ohanaeze president in River State, said that Fubara did not only say that he supported wholeheartedly, they also requested that Southeast Governors Forum requested that he put it in writing. You know what that means? The governor of River State considered to putting it in writing that he supports the emergence of Ohanaeze president from River State. In other words, indicating that Rivers government was carried along, and there was nothing like Ohanaeze Ndigbo trying to impose his own ideology, or trying to force Igweres to be Igbos, or trying to force them to be part of Ohanaeze. Okay, there was a buy-in, and the governor was able to identify John Azuta-Mbata as a man who has capacity. And you know that John Azuta-Mbata is a kinsman of Nyesom Wike. So you can therefore understand why Nyesom Wike had to bring up the issue of Mbata in that press conference he had with select broadcast journalists in Abuja. Because ordinarily, as the minister of the FCT, the emergence of Azuta-Mbata has no business being among the questions that he will have to deal with. But you can see that that question was asked. It was a programmed question that will give Nyesom Wike the opportunity to sort of rubbish Azuta-Mbata and also show that he supports what what Obakikwere said about Azuta-Mbata, that he has been ostracized, that he will no longer be recognized, all the chieftaincy titles that were hitherto given to him had been withdrawn. So you can see that in that interview that Nyesom Wike did, he was specific in saying that Azuta-Mbata was on his own, that after saying that he was not Igbo, he said that where Obakikwere is where he is, okay, or where Obakikwere was where he was, and that he's not Igbo and all that. You now begin to understand from what this reverse Ohanaeze president said. It therefore means that Nyesom Wike is angry because Azuta-Mbata is a candidate that was endorsed by Fubara. And Nyesom Wike is interpreting it, apparently, that Ohanaeze is interfering in reverse politics. But that's not supposed to be so. The zoning system of Ohanaeze had been there. It had been there after they amended the constitution to rotate the presidency alphabetically. So it has nothing to do with Nyesom Wike personally or River State politics in particular. But the important thing that was also revealed there was that the River State governor he talked about the River State governor's affinity with the Igbos. Talk about a video where the governor had also said that he's also Igbo. Of course, that his grandmother is from Umuahia in Abuja State, which is another revelation that many people may not have known, or many people have not been opportune to watch that video. But it also shows the synergy between the Southeast governors and the Rivers governor to ensure that to take Ohanaeze to the next level. Okay, you may not like the governor's intervention. You know what I mean? Someone like me, I know that I preferred Barrister Uchoku to be the president of Ohanaeze and Ndigbo, but he didn't emerge. Of course, there was a fact, an election he purportedly emerged, but you and I know that the one that is recognized is the one that is recognized by the 7 governors of the mandate states of Ohanaeze and Ndigbo. So that's it. So it is important that people also note this. When you hear all these other people, factional Ohanaeze like Isuguzoro, issuing statements saying they support people who are against Fubara, you know that there is no way Ohanaeze, with the role that Fubara played in the emergence of President General of Ohanaeze from River State, that any Ohanaeze president will come out and say that he supports the lawmakers who defected from PDP to APC and wanted to impeach Fubara, as he sees Guzoro, who is parading himself as vice chairman or deputy president general of Ohanaeze did recently in a statement that unfortunately was given publicity by mainstream media like even The Punch, which was sad. Okay, so is this young man, I think you need to watch his complete video. The Zoom interview he did with NJJ TV is a lengthy one, but I think you will enjoy it. He said a lot of things, and he's a man who has focus. He's an inquiry young man. He has focus. He's loaded with history of Ohanaeze. And what do you think about him? What do you think about the revelations he made on the role that Fubara played in the emergence of Azuta-Mbata and how things are playing out right now? Despite everything, opposition from Nyesom Wike and Obaki, they are moving strong. What is your position about the role Fubara and co played to ensure that Rivers State produce Ohanaeze and Ndigbo President General this time around? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you.